Fucking time, I'm just inching closer and closer and I still fucking die, bro. I'm gonna fucking kill myself. Yo, no, because there's no reason why I should be in big mode. I've never seen...
Going through everything, like every bad emotion. I think I was in a situation at the time.
Oh my god, yes! Yes! Oh my god! Oh my god! Yes, bro! I did it! I did it! I beat it! I did it! Yes! Yes! Oh my god! Let's go! Yes! Yes!